Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Always ensure the engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, locate the radiator drain plug and all coolant hoses connected to the radiator. Now, position your drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug and let all the old coolant completely empty into the pan. Once drained, disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Also, be sure to detach any electrical connectors and transmission cooler lines that are attached to the radiator. With the hoses and lines disconnected, it's time to remove the fan shroud. Unbolt the fan shroud mounting bolts, usually around 4 to 6 of them. Carefully lift the entire fan shroud assembly out of the way. Next, unbolt the radiator mounting brackets. With everything detached, you can now gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly. Secure all mounting brackets and bolts firmly. Reconnect all the radiator hoses, transmission cooler lines, and any electrical connectors you removed earlier. Finally, refill the system with the correct type and amount of new coolant, then bleed any air from the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.